Hello guys, my name is Bunga Rahelia Dianti. I am student at Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University and the major is tax administration. On this occasion, I will explain about the MBKM program. MBKM it's called Merdeka Belajar Kampus Merdeka. And the program is Renjani. Renjani is relawan pajak untuk negeri. I hope you guys enjoying my video. One of MBKM program is Renjani, which is tax volunteers for the country. But what exactly is Renjani? A social movement toward raising awareness of the community's contribution to the country development. As a tax volunteer for the country, Renjani is determined to be active agent of change, shaping a tax-aware culture within society. The main purpose is to support the DJP, Direktorat Jenderal Pajak, the tax authority. It's optimizing annual tax return. It's SPT, Surat Pemberitahuan. Renjani focuses not only administrative aspect but also on building citizens' awareness of the importance of the tax complements as a real contribution to the nation's progress. The objective of the MBKM Renjani is the objective of the MBKM program, Tax Volunteers for the Country activity, is to help students develop their abilities to take responsibility for their assigned tax. Then, students are asked to play an active role raising tax awareness in the community. Through the Renjani program, students can expect to develop their skills necessary to compete in the workforce. The timeline Renjani. It starts February until March. It's the program individual and corporate annual tax return reporting. And the second is Tax Corner. In April, we can out of office service and individual corporate annual tax return reporting. In May, the program is business development service and tax goes to school. The assessment carried out as Renjani. The first is individual and corporate annual tax return reporting. Students are expected to be able to help taxpayers report their income in 1 year into the annual tax return. To report this tax return, there are various forms. The first is Form 1770SS for taxpayers who have income below 60 million in a year. From 1770S for taxpayers who have income above 60 million in a year. And the last is from 1770 for taxpayers who have their own business. The second is out of office service. Students can provide counseling to government agencies about how to use the new Cortex. Cortex is a system implemented by DJP In this activity, students can convey things that have been learned. When carrying out this activity, students are accompanied by HR. HR is account representative to explain more deeply what programs are organized by KPP, Kantor Pelayanan Pajak, Serang Barat. Usually, usually on these activities carried out on the Banten provincial government office in the activity. Students can also provide assistance in reporting the annual individual tax return. The assessment carried out as Ranjani Tax Corner. Students can help all lecturers and civitas at Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University to report their annual income using the DJP online website. And then tax goes to school. Students play a role to become pioneers of young people who obey tax. Students conduct seminar to high school in the city of Serang. One of the themes of seminar is the role of the young generation is realizing tax compliance, recognize the tax function and the benefit of NPWP and the importance to reporting SPT. This event was organized directly by students and making a group of 10 people. This tax seminar took place on 16 May 2025 at SMA 01 PGRI Kota Serang, and the students who attend this event amount 26 people. They are very ecstatic about this event. And the last is BDS. BDS is Business Development Service. Students were asked to approach UMKM and ask what they did not understand about the tax system. And at the time, UMKM still felt that the financial reports they had it's it's not incomplete, and the installation of digital products it was still lacking. This is where the important role of students is needed. They can help create a financial reporting system that is easy to understand and explain in more detail what components are needed in the financial statements and explain how tax treatment is applied to the UMKM. And then for the digital products marketing, students can promote products through the social media that are popular with all groups. The social media is TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. And then they are create content that is very popular at this time and has a positive impact to UMKM. And they register this UMKM to online platforms such as Shopee and Lazada. There are these are these are all efforts made by students to increase the potential of UMKM. Competencies acquired, technical skills. Students are able to make annual tax return reports using the DJP online page, able to review the financial statements of company and can also make complete financial report, knowing what forms are needed by each taxpayer, and then being able to help UMKM in making complete financial reports and being able to market product to the digital market. Interpersonal skills. Students effective communication skills, able to convey text information clearly to taxpayers and car works, and then they also show a high attitude of responsibility in complete, completing every task given by tax office in a timely and true manner, able to provide direction to taxpayers about what is allowed. Problems and solutions. The first problems is time management. In addition to participating the MBKM Renjani program, students also still have to take part in learning activities on campus as usual. Sometimes the schedule provided by KPP classes with lectures on campus. Then, when making BDS reports, the little time we have makes unless optimal in providing assistance, and it is difficult to arrange time with the owner of the UMKM because of her busy schedule. Problems and solution. The second, it's technical issues. At first, students were concentrated in assisting the annual personal tax return reporting because the system used sometimes can be errors. Many taxpayers do not bring the requirements to submit the annual tax return, especially for individual taxpayers. For example, they do not bring boput its bukti potong, so did so it's make the reporting to be difficult. Problems and solution. And the solution of technical problem is students can be more true when verifying the data provided by the mandatory and can learn more about how to solve system errors. Solution to time management problem is students can exchange schedules with other students whose schedules do not clash. Then, for UMKM assistance, students can be more active in finding information about this UMKM and can hold meetings via Zoom Meet if the owner cannot meet at the location. And the last is conclusion. Renjani Merdeka Belajar Kampus Merdeka MBKM program is innovative collaboration between the Directorate Jenderal Pajak and university in Indonesia, especially is Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University, that provides the real-life experience for students to be directly involved in tax education and service to the community. Through this program, students not only gain academic but recognition for involvement but also def- develop their technical communication and leadership skills and expand their professional networks. Thank you so much.